Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove the dollar sign in Excel. If your numbers are showing currency symbols and you want to clean them up or use a different format, this tutorial is for you. On your Microsoft Excel dashboard, if we want to remove the dollar sign or currency symbol, all we need to do is highlight the cell where we want to remove it. Once we have highlighted the cell, we simply click Home. Under this tab, we will see the General option. From here, we can select Number if we want the cell to be formatted as a number. As we can see, the dollar sign is now removed. If we want the cell to be formatted as text, we can choose Text, and the symbol will be removed as well. From here, we can start editing or changing the format, such as setting it as a price after removing the dollar sign. This is a simple way to remove or change the dollar sign formatting in Excel, so our data displays as plain numbers or in a different style. And that's it. Now we know how to remove the dollar sign in Excel.